Good morning, all. Today we'll be making a morning breakfast beloved by all, known to some as Poha. Take flattened rice 2 cups, 1 big onion chopped, 2 green chilli chopped, Kadhi Patta, and roasted peanuts. Oil 2 tablespoons, mustard seeds 2 tablespoons, some green chilli, onion, Kadhi Patta. Fry it for 2 minutes. Turmeric powder. Keep mixing it well. Roasted peanuts. And time to add flattened rice. Keep mixing it thoroughly. Salt to one's taste. Sugar 1 to 2 tablespoons. Cook it for another 3 to 5 minutes. Your poha is ready now. Best served and garnished with coriander leaves and lemon. Do let us know if you tried this dish in the comment section. Like and share this video along with the food. If you are new to this channel, then please do hit the red subscribe button. Thank you.